I'm telling you, I got a bad feeling about this drop.
You always say that, Frost. You always say I got a bad feeling about this drop.
Okay. When we get back without you, I'll call your folks.
All right, let's see what we can see. Everybody online, looking good. Drake, check your camera. There seems to be a malfunction. That's better. Pan it around a bit. Good.
I'm ready, man. Check it out. I am the ultimate badass. Yes. State of the badass art. You do not want to fuck with me. Check it out. Hey, Ripley, don't worry. Me and my squad of ultimate badasses will protect you. Check it out. Independently targeting particle beam failings. Whap! For I have a city with this puppy. We got tactical smart missiles, phase plasma pulse rifles, RPGs. We got sonic, electronic, ball breakers. We got nukes. We got knives, sharp sticks.
Knock it off, Hudson. All right, gear up. 2 minutes, people. Get hot. Somebody wake up Hicks.
Coming around for a 709er.
Terminal guidance locked in.
Where's the damn beacon? Oh, I see it.
That's the atmosphere processor?
Yep, that's it. Remarkable piece of machinery, completely automated. You know, we manufacture those, by the way.
Okay, Farrell, take us in low over the main colony complex. Storm shutters are sealed. There's no visible activity. All right, hold at 40.
Roger.
Give me a slow circle of the complex.
Structure seems intact. They still have power.
Okay, Farrell. Set down on the landing grid. Immediate dust off on my clear, then stay on station.
Down and clear.
10 seconds, people. Look sharp. All right, I want a nice, clean dispersal this time.